Hello people, welcome again to this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to create a voice call or video call with Google Chat. So the first thing you have to do is just open your Google Chat application. You just need to type chat on the search library on the top side here, and right after that just go click it to open the application. The next thing you need to do is just decide whom do you want to call. So here I want to show you the way how to call my friends here. So you just need to open the chat room. And the next thing you need to do is just go take a look on this top side here. There will be two options there. This one is the camera option and this one is this three small dot on the circles. So you just need to Google this camera option. Whenever you click it, you will have two options. Either you can do the chat audio, which is the voice call, and the chat video, which is the video call. So basically that is the way how to create a call with the Google Chat application. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and see you for the next tutorial.